Hey guys, it's Summer here from Dark Chocolate Almonds. Today is my last day of summer break before I have to go back to school. So yes, I'm very sad. But I'm also excited for the new school year. Seeing all my friends again that I haven't seen for legit, what was that? That was like for like 2 months, okay? So, yeah, I have my backpack hanging here. I actually had to tie it here to get it to stay. But, yeah, I got this really cool keychain for it. I actually got this backpack at Target. My mom got me the keychain. I don't know where she got it, but, yeah, so today's video, I'm going to be helping you prepare for back to school with some tips, and, yeah, let's get into it. So, our first tip is to be prepared. I know you've probably heard that a bunch of times, but you gotta make sure you're prepared for back to school. You gotta have your backpack. I also got this water bottle at Target. It's really cute. Notebooks, pencils, highlighters, whatever you need, really. I probably already said lunchbox, but in case I didn't lunchbox, yeah, you just gotta make sure that you're prepared. Speaking of being prepared, I got this brand new cool notebook here. It's like, I don't know how to say it. Is it green or is it blue? What do you guys think? I think it's kind of a mixture of both, I have to say. But yeah, has a bunch of pages in it. Guys, my brain, I legit just picked this up from the store like yesterday. I didn't write anything in it. It has a message in it. Legit. It says to subscribe to DCA. This might be magic here. I think we should subscribe to DCA for good luck. Okay, so first, before we get into anything else, I want to talk about Layla and I have this friend, Katie, and she made her channel, a YouTube channel, with 3 other of her friends. It's called HHEK, which is the first letter of all of their names put together, and it's pronounced heck. Yeah, HHEK. It'll be the first link in the description. Make sure you go check them out. Katie does a lot of live streams. They're really cool. And yeah, they'll be posting videos soon, I hope. So yeah, just make sure you go check them out. They'll be the first link in the description. And yeah, let's get back into this back to school video. Okay, so yeah, got prepared. You have your backpack, your water bottle, your lunch bag. Now, you don't know what to wear for the first day of school. So I'm going to show you my options. I have it hanging here. I have this really cool shirt. I got the shirts I'm going to possibly be wearing from Kohl's. I went back to school shopping just recently. Yeah, I'm choosing between these two. I don't know which one to wear. I was originally going to wear this one, but now I might wear this one too. It's a cold shoulder top. It's really cool. But it's my phone. Really. I forgot to put it on silent. I'm sorry, guys. When you're studying, if you put on classical music, you know what I mean by classical music? Like Beethoven and Mozart. I'm sorry, I can't think right now. It's on vacation. For probably say like 11 and a half more hours. So, and now you're probably like, Summer, just get to the point. Okay, so if you listen to classical music while you study, it actually helps you focus. I know it's kind of weird, but I tried it out and it actually really works, because me and studying equals goofing off, finding something else to do, not wanting to do it. Like, legit, for a test once, well, for like all my tests in 4th grade. See, we had like study cards and stuff, so we would go home study, but that's not what I did. I legit like studied once the day before the test. I studied once. I didn't really need to study because, I mean, 4th grade stuff is pretty easy, I have to say, because it was like for science and stuff. Like 4th grade science isn't that hard, believe me, if you've been through it. It's not that hard, at least at my school. But the stuff's gonna be getting harder as you go, so listen to classical music and you can focus better. The next tip is to keep organized. Unlike me, but I'm going to be cleaning my room today. In case you want to see what my room looks like right now, yeah, it's really messy. I even have stuff on my music stand. But yeah, it is very messy, but I'm going to work on organizing it today, and probably through the first days of school, because I probably won't finish it today, because, you know, I get distracted easily. So yeah, just please, I'm going to try to keep organized too, so just keep organized, and you'll have a better school year, because you'll be able to find stuff, you'll have room to study, and listen to classical music at the same time. Make sure you do that, because it'll help you focus, guaranteed. I tried it, it works. Okay, so I have my 2 squishies here. Well, I have more squishies than this, but I have 2 of my squishies here. They're both very slow rising, and I'm going to see how long it takes them to rise. I'm going to time them each one by one and see which one rises the slowest. I thought it would be a fun thing to do, and yeah, we're gonna get into this. Okay, so first up we have the sheep, and I have my phone here with the stopwatch on, and we're going to time how slow it takes to rise. Wait, how slow it takes to rise? That doesn't sound right. How much time it takes to rise. So I'm going to squish it down and go. We're at 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. This one is like super slow rising, and surprisingly I got it off of eBay for legit $2. But it just took a long time to get here because it was from like Japan. Okay, it is almost done rising. Almost, it is like going slow. Okay. So it took this squishy about 32 seconds to rise. Well, rounded up to 33. Yes, I went to 3rd grade. So it took this one about 33 seconds to rise. To be exact, 32.887. Okay, so next I got this ice cream. I'm already trying to squish it down. The cone is at the bottom. I'm not sure if that's how I should do it, but I'm going to squish it down, and I got my timer up. Now the screen's about to turn black. Okay. Go. 4 seconds. Oh yeah, so I have to get it at an angle. Okay. Okay. It's almost done rising. It's just twisted a bit there. We're at, oh, I think it is done rising. This one took about 37 seconds to rise. So it is now proven that my ice cream squishy actually takes longer to rise than my sheep squishy. I actually thought that the sheep squishy was going to rise slower, because like, look at that, it like barely rises at some points. Like if I squish it a lot, it like barely rises. But this one also is bigger, and so I didn't really factor that in too much. I still thought the sheep was gonna win, to be honest, but yeah, ice cream won. Okay guys, so we've reached almost the end of the video, and my last tip for today is to have fun with your friends. I mean, like after the first week of school, maybe that weekend you can have like a sleepover, like a get together with your friends, like talk about your first week. I mean, yeah, having fun with friends, it's one of my favorite things to do. Leila and I get together a lot. We have a lot of fun, so just make sure you have fun with your friends at school and at recess. Yeah, get together, have fun. Talk about your first week, first few days, whenever you decide to get together. Okay guys, so that is all for today. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, be part of the Almaton Army. And so, hope you have a good first day, first week of school, whenever you start school. Bye. Bye, guys.